We've all heard it. Work hard, earn lots of money, and then you'll be happy. It's a tempting promise. We think a big bank balance will buy us freedom and joy. But what if it's a lie? Chasing money can become an endless treadmill. We work more to get more, but it never feels like enough. The goalposts keep shifting. We end up feeling stressed, empty, and always wanting more. True happiness doesn't come with a price tag. It comes from within. It's about finding purpose, meaning, and connection. Social media adds fuel to the fire. We see picture-perfect lives filled with luxury cars, designer clothes, and exotic vacations. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison and feel like we're not enough. But remember, social media is a highlight reel, not reality. It's curated to show only the best bits. Behind those glossy images, people struggle with the same problems as everyone else. Don't let social media define your worth. Your value comes from who you are, not what you own. Let's be real. Money is important. It helps us live comfortably and take care of our needs. But it shouldn't be the driving force in our lives. Think about it. What truly matters to you? Is it a bigger house or deeper connections with loved ones? Is it a fancy car or the freedom to pursue your passions? Real wealth lies in experiences, relationships, and making a difference. It's about living a life filled with purpose and meaning. Section 4. The value of you. Stop chasing someone else's definition of success. It's time to define what success means to you. What are you naturally good at? What brings you joy? How can you use your unique talents to contribute to the world? Maybe you're a creative soul who finds joy in making art. Perhaps you're a natural teacher who loves sharing your knowledge. Or maybe you're a problem solver who thrives on finding solutions. The world needs your unique gifts. Embrace them and share them with the world. Section 5. Your Dharma, your duty. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, "You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action." This ancient wisdom reminds us to focus on our actions, not the rewards. Find your Dharma, your purpose in life. Dedicate yourself to it wholeheartedly. Don't obsess over the outcome. The satisfaction of fulfilling your duty is the greatest reward. When you focus on your Dharma, you align yourself with your true nature. This brings a deep sense of peace and fulfillment that money can't buy. Section 6. The true measure of wealth. True wealth isn't measured in rupees or possessions. It's measured in the richness of your character, the strength of your relationships, and the impact you make on the world. Focus on building your skills, cultivating compassion, and living with integrity. These qualities will attract true abundance into your life. Choose a life of simplicity and intention. Be present in each moment. Appreciate the little things. This is where you'll find true happiness and fulfillment. This is the real treasure. So ask yourself, if money wasn't a concern, what would you do with your life? The answer to that question holds the key to unlocking your true potential.